Our flush door bolt is made of stainless steel. We have stainless steel SS201, SS304, SS316 for choice. It is durable and easy to use. It can also keep long-term lubrication, make you convenient to use. Unlock easily by flipping the lever. We can provide various quality bolt to meet different doors. A wide variety of styles and finishes are available to satisfy many tastes. This bolt can be used at the top or bottom of the door point